How to create or delete a directory using the FileZilla FTP client. Click on the icon of FileZilla client to open it. In the Quick Connect bar, enter the host name in the host field. It is your domain name. Now enter a username in the username field and password into the password field. You can use your cPanel username and password as your FTP user and password. You may leave the port field empty if your login information doesn't specify a certain port to use. Now click on the Quick Connect button. The server pane is now displaying files and directories on the connected server. Double-click on the public HTML directory to open it. Right-click on the empty space within the file name box and then click on the Create Directory option. Now give a name to the directory and click on the OK button. Notice that the directory images have been created. You can double-click on images to open it. You can create a directory inside any other directory just like the public HTML directory by following the previous steps. Now you know how to create a directory. To delete a directory, right-click on the directory then click on the Delete option. Click on the Yes button to confirm it. The selected directory has been removed. Thank you for watching.